What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys what it's like driving a 650 horsepower cam supercharged C6 Corvette. So let's get the POV on. All right, guys, look at that. We're going. All right, let's get it. Let's hop in the vet. Put this thing in neutral. Prime this fuel system just a little bit. Actually low on gas too. Let me tilt y'all up just a little bit. There we go. Alright. Open this exhaust. Oh yeah. Alright. So did lower the car a little bit. So the steering wheel is off just a touch. Getting that fixed this week, so don't worry about that. Alright, put the seatbelt on. Thing drives like stock, I'm telling you, there's nothing crazy to it. Love the sound of the supercharger. People look at you crazy when you're wearing a little head mount, but you know what? It's all good. Today, the freaking weather is perfect. 82 degrees. Well, that might be a little off. My sensor's down there. I've noticed it's been a little bit hotter on this sensor since my intercooler's up there now. I might need to invest in a little microphone too, to be honest with you. Bouncing off that wall, thing sounds good. The blow-off valve, you can hear it just normal driving, you know. So this is fourth gear, 1900 RPM. Put it in fifth, you can't hear it. If you downshift, you can hear it a little bit. The RPM's really got to be around 2000. Like, I can hear it right now. You guys probably can't hear it, but I can hear it. Close this exhaust up. You can barely hear it, but this is the 50 millimeter. I want to upgrade to a bigger one. We'll see what these people are doing. I want to upgrade to a bigger blow-off valve. I want to get a little bit more noise. So I got a 52 millimeter on A&H's website. I'm not sure how much of a difference the 52 millimeter versus the 50 is. If you guys know, drop a comment down below, because I'd really like to know what the difference is. But yeah, I want a little bit louder blow-off valve. This thing sounds really good, but there's something about like the big red Procharger blow-off valves that they used to have. I guess they still make them. Pretty popular blow-off valve. But those things were freaking like obnoxiously loud, but it sounded awesome. Seeing how like I don't drive this car every day, you know, it don't really bother me to just get a freaking wild one. What are these people doing? What we got going on here? Open this exhaust back up. Make a video about driving a stick shift Corvette or a stick shift car in general, kind of like how to drive one, because I mean there's nothing to it. This car is probably one of the easiest stick shift cars because stuff with horsepower is it's pretty easy. If you have a stock clutch, you know, 400 horsepower or something like that, pretty easy because these things move on their own. I mean there's nothing to it. It's easy to really do once you get the grasp of it. A lot of people aren't coordinated enough with their hands and both feet. Like, I used to have a drum set and I could not play the drums because I couldn't get my feet and my hands to do separate things at each time. But when it comes to driving a car, I can do it. It's really not hard at all. I will definitely do a video about that. Like we're looking, oh yeah, that's a clean Suburban. As you guys know, this is my spot right here. I've done a lot of videos here. So anyways guys, that was just a quick little drive with this thing. I'll probably do one at nighttime as well. And I'm also going to do one where I show you how to drive a stick shift because this is really easy. There's nothing to it. You guys can do it. And let's hop out. Got this thing cleaned up today, or actually last night, for the car show this morning. Pretty good. I got another big car show tomorrow I got to go to, so I'm actually going to wipe it down. Probably not going to drive it much else today, and wipe her down, put it up, clean my truck up. I'll probably drive it the rest of the day. But cruising out with some buddies tomorrow with some Z06s, CTSVs, so I may get a cool video of that as well. But anyways guys, that's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That'll do it. Peace.